Are you done answering all the learning tasks for me too? Yeah, I had fun writing the element symbols. Me too, I had so much fun like you're writing a crossword puzzle game. I'm so excited for the next learning task in science. Ha 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 ha! Is he the guy who shouted with us? Oh, I'm sorry. Let's forget about it. But he's rude. It's okay, let's move on. Let's go. You're so kind. Hi, Jungkook. Can I get your number? You look more handsome than your snap. Stop it! Sooner he'll come to me and ask me for a date. Duh, in your dream. Knowing Jungkook.
Good morning, class!
Good morning, ma'am!
Another star for all of you, class, for completing your learning task. I'm so proud of you, kids. At your age, you're such a responsible student. Keep up the good work, kids. So another day, another week. Let's keep on learning, okay? So before we start our lesson, let's have a short review of our past lesson. What are the characteristics of elements? Yes, Lisel?
Elements cannot be separated by physical or chemical means.
What else, Jumel?
Elements are abbreviated with symbols which consist of one or two letters.
Yes, Denise?
Elements are organized on the periodic table according to their atomic number.
Very good, class. What is a compound? Yes, Duke?
A compound is two or more elements chemically combined together.
Very good. Our lesson for this week is about substances and mixtures. When different substances are physically mixed together, mixtures are formed. But how does a mixture differs from a pure substance? Have you ever made chocolate milk? Have you ever noticed what happens if you let your chocolate milk sit for a while? Well, sometimes the chocolate will settle on the bottom of the glass. We call it mixtures. Sometimes two or more ingredients look all the same when mixed together, and sometimes they do not. In this lesson, you will find out the difference between mixtures and pure substances based on a set of properties. Matter can be classified into pure substances and mixtures. When two or more kinds of matter are put together, it is called a mixture. Mixtures can be made with solids, liquids, or gases. Any combination will result in a mixture. A pure substance consists of one phase with definite composition, which appears uniform in appearance and composition regardless of its size. A As you go along with this lesson, you will learn other examples of mixtures other than solutions. You will also learn about pure substances and its example. Different techniques on how to separate mixtures and substances will also be discussed. A pure substance is any substance that are formed for only one type of matter. Examples of pure substances are water, iron, quartz, and gold. Pure substance. It consists of element and compound. It is a form of matter that has a constant composition and properties that are constant throughout the sample. It can be solid, liquid, or gas. We have already studied elements. An element is made of one kind of atom found on the periodic table. Elements are the simplest pure substance. An element cannot be changed into a simpler substance by heating or any chemical process. Our lesson for today or for this week is actually mixture. So what is a mixture? A mixture is the physical combination of two or more substances. It is important to understand that a mixture is not chemically combined, so they keep their original properties. Mixtures can be separated by physical means such as filtration, a magnet, density, or evaporation. Mixtures can be divided into two groups, homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. How do mixtures form? Mixtures form by physically mixing two or more substances together. Remember, no chemical change is occurring, so each part of the mixture keeps its original properties. Is it the same throughout? If the answer is yes, it is a homogeneous mixture. A homogeneous mixtures are commonly called solutions. Solution is equal to solute plus solvent. Solute means stuff being dissolved or yung tutunawin. Usually solute is in solid form. Solvent means stuff doing the dissolving. Example, salt water. Salt is the solute, water is the solvent. Is it the same throughout? If the answer is no, the matter is a heterogeneous mixture. Consider the list mixed. Does not appear to be the same throughout. Particles are large enough to be seen and to be separated from the mixture. Examples of heterogeneous mixtures are mixture of sand and pebbles, mixture of oil and water, and Chex Mix. When we say heterogeneous mixtures, kaya natin siyang paghiwalayin physically through the use of filtration or manually. How are mixtures important to my life? We encounter mixtures everywhere in our lives. Where would you be without ice cream, Kool-Aid, shampoo, soup, milk, and orange juice? Kahit saan ka magpunta at kahit saan ka tumingin, nakikita at nagagamit mo ang mga product ng mixtures. Homo comes from the Greek word which means same. Hetero comes from the Greek word which means different. Which between the two can be separated physically, heterogeneous mixture or homogeneous mixture. Correct, heterogeneous mixture. Proceed to your learning task number 1 on page 21. You may rely your answer on page 23. Guide in answering learning task number 2. So before we answer learning task number 2, let us identify some examples of mixture and pure substance. Examples of pure substance are iron, oxygen, water or H2O, and carbon dioxide. Some example of mixture are milk, tea, Rocky Road ice cream, and muddy water. Tell whether the following picture is a pure substance or mixture. Titanium, pure substance or mixture. Correct, pure substance. How about soy sauce, pure substance or mixture? Correct, mixture. Sodium ascorbate, pure substance or mixture? Correct, pure substance. Leche flan, pure substance or mixture? Correct, mixture. Proceed to learning task number 2 on page 22. Answer on a separate sheet of paper. Do it now. Answer learning task number 3 on page 23. Match column A to column B, answer only. To answer the next learning task, let us now distinguish homogeneous to heterogeneous, compound to element. When we say homogeneous, it has one face only, isa lang ang nakikita. And when we say heterogeneous, it has two or more faces, dalawa o higit pa ang nakikita. When we say element, it can be found in periodic table. And when we say compound, it's the combination of two or more elements. Now, answer learning task number 4 on page 24 and learning task number 5 on page 25. Answer learning task number 6 on a piece of paper on page 25 and 26. Answer only. Goodbye, class! See you next week! Bye! Thank you for watching!